Daddy, yule mwanaume ambaye alokuambia ndoto zangu ni huyu hapa, nimeamua kukuletea home.
Umedanganyika na nini na huyu mwanamume? Mwanamume amevaa eleni kama shoga, amevaa wigi. Kweli mwanamume anavaa wigi?
Hold on.
Yes, my baby.
I wanna pick up my phone.
Okay.
Damn. Shout out to my nigga Gucci. Hey buddy. What's up? Guess what? I'm in Africa, man. I'm in Africa, in Tanzania, with my papa-in-law. In Tanzania. Yeah. Damn. With my girlfriend, she a big nyashi. Damn, nigga. Fuck off. That's bullshit. That's bullshit. Yeah, actually, we plan to visit in Serengeti. Damn, nigga, damn. Of course, yeah. My papa-in-law, he's black. He's very black. He's an African old man, nigga. Damn, yeah. This is up, bro. This is up. Fuck off, bro. Fuck off. That's bullshit, nigga. You know? That's bullshit, nigga. Go back yourself, nigga. This is up. See ya. You know what? Today, at midnight, I am going to kick my girlfriend's ass off. Like that, nigga. See ya, bro. See ya. No more talking. See ya. Hey, Papa-in-law, continue.
Umekuja huyu ndo mwanamume ulionitea. Toka ondoka naye. Toka.
Unajua anacheka kwa nini? Hii ni maajabu.